Alright guys, let's see what we got. What's up, bro? What's up, Omar?
What's up, dude?
Wow.
Oh, dude, it went all the way in over here, dude. And what I did is I just kind of got it off the car to, take some of the weight off it right now.
Oh, the car didn't take too much damage.
And it was leaning right up against it.
If anything, he did this guy a favor. So you want me to just hold the rear?
You want to get that side, or what do you think? However you feel. I can't get here because of the wires. But either that or I can.
Let me see. Let me do something really quick. Do they have, is that tractor the good tractor that's up there at the entrance? Is that what they're gonna
No, they're gonna have a yard goat over here, come over here right now.
Then let me get my truck out of my way. Let me see your remote. Forget I got the same truck. See, the trick is you want it to come in that same exact hole, because that spade will get caught and bring up the hole. See, right now it's perfect. Now you can do a straight vertical.
Let me see where you're at on weight. $40,000.
Yeah, I knew that this thing's gonna be every bit. The 20 footers are always heavier than the 40 footers.
That's what threw me off, bro.
Always.
Let me get you over here just in case.
Whoa, look at the landing gear.
Oh. You be thinking?
Yeah, you're good though. It's not gonna go any further. I would have set up outrigger pads. Let me get my truck out of the way. Where's that yard go? Hey Dad, I'm headed back. So that customer, just have him wait. I'm headed back. Give me 3 minutes. I did that because I'm hungry, man.
You what?
I did that because I'm hungry.
Did you eat already?
I had that call in the morning. The airport was a mishap, so then I shot to Torrance. I shot to Torrance. Then I finished that forklift job. I smashed to the airport. We took it all the way up to Pacoima. I didn't even know there's an airport there.
There's a small airport there.
Tiny.
Yeah.
Tiny, dude.
It's basically just.
But like that nice boulevard and Glen Oaks, around that major intersection, there's a street called Airport Way or Air Drive Way or something, and that's where it was. Well, this is quite possibly the shortest video I've ever posted on my channel. The quickest recovery, at least, about 4 minutes. But this job and jobs like this, I do so much. Just most of them I don't record. But jobs like this where I'm helping out other people, I mean, just to put a fun fact on you guys, we service over 40 tow companies. So that means there's over 40 tow companies, some of them local, some of them out of state, that when they need a hand or when they have anything heavy, any recovery work, whatever, they sub it out to us. Like right now, it's a Friday night and Dave's on a call right now with Mr. Yeah, I Know Hector, and we're doing a call for City Tow. They're out in Long Beach. This one is Titan Tow. I posted a ton of them from Jonas over at Custom Tow. That train one that I had just posted recently, that came in from Mr. C's Tow. So many other tow companies, and it's such a cool feeling, something my dad established over the years. And a lot of the bigger jobs I get, even if I don't get them directly, I get them indirectly just because, you know, they can't do them, so it defaults to us. Now, as to the specific one, I posted quite a few videos from Titan Tow. This one is close to a year old. I found it on an old hard drive while cleaning stuff out. And like I mentioned, I wasn't even gonna make a video out of it because it was too short. But I thought it'd be cool. You know, I know a lot of people think that we use 2 trucks on every single job. It's just patently false. I mean, especially in the beginning of the channel, you could just scroll. I got like probably 480 videos. There's tons of them where either Alex is solo, I'm solo, and we're just the 2 that record. So for example, Joe, Ricardo, Echo, all these other guys, they do container lifts all the time, winch outs all the time. They just don't record. Not everyone has it in them to record. Like Dave, you know, he's done a couple videos already, but he's still kind of getting into that groove. It's just not natural for everyone, especially if you're shy. And then on this one, we were busy, like always. So I was on the way back to the shop. This came in. I thought it was going to be a rollover, and when I showed up, I seen it was already hooked in the front. Normally, it's always whatever the customer, in this case, another tow company wants, right? So if they wanted me in the rear of the container to support it while they bring over the front, you know, that's what you do. But him and I have the same truck. They're both 50 tons. They're both Miller rotators. They're very similar, but obviously, you know, spec'd different. And I know for a fact what my truck can do off the side. I've done some crazy stupid weight. Like that one overloaded 20-foot container on the freeway off-ramp, I completely deadlifted, leaned my truck a bit, but I mean, I know what the truck can do, right? Not everyone does, because not everyone pushes their truck, and that's not a dig at people like Omar or other companies that give us these jobs. There's nothing wrong with that and playing it safe, because we do this so much. I obviously know in and out without even looking at charts or load cells. Yeah, this truck is going to be able to do it at this extension, lift from here, boom, that's it. So I never mind, you know, lending our expertise to other companies. And on something like this, you don't even get paid, because what am I going to charge him for using his own truck? Oh, it's not always about the money, you know. And Omar's actually been one to follow a lot of what I do in my lead. If you notice, he has, you know, the Bailey slings, obviously recommended by me. And I've been seeing that in a lot of Instagram posts from other tow companies, which I think is so cool. Slowly but surely, that shift. You associate tow trucks with like chains, right? So to see that synthetic stuff get pushed so hard and being used now industry wide, I mean, they use it a lot, like in the crane world, you see the big slings. So it's cool that it's catching on in the tow industry a lot. And of course, I'm not the one that invented it. I'm not the first to use it, but I do have a pretty large platform. So I do love all those emails and phone calls I get from different tow companies all over the country about, you know, the stuff I use, the slings I use. And as you see here, other people are using it with great success. And then I'll end this note by saying our beloved and sought after calendar by the posting of this video should be out. And if not, then it's already up online at minimum for pre-order, because I just put in the order tonight to make them. So my first draft will be getting here any day, and then they go live. We always wait towards the end of the year. That way I could have the most amount of pictures to choose from. And that in itself is like a week-long process. I mean, I do 2 videos a week, every week, 52 weeks a year. And those are just the jobs I post. So it's a very, very special, this calendar ever was. It's always our most popular item every single year. So on this one, what I'm going to do is the top 2 comments, the ones that have the most likes, after a few days, get a free calendar. I like doing these little giveaways a lot. It's a really cool way to keep you guys engaged and, you know, think of something witty or funny to say. And since these always sell out, I ordered a lot more extra than before. So going forward, I'll be doing these cool little giveaways for at least a few weeks. And even think of some other creative ways to start giving out more stuff. Like I got Pepe's notepads and pens and all kinds of stuff that's not for sale. It's just for like accounts and for promo stuff here. So I'm gonna try to incorporate that into the YouTube channel and giveaways and raffles and all that. So with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Look out for that calendar. Peace.